Give y'all a little POV. We about to do that right there. I'm gonna give y'all a little POV. And we here, man. Y'all see the 25 GT, man. We uptown with it, man. Too many compliments, man. The thing blacked out. Y'all see it, man. Oh my gosh. I think it's crazy. Y'all get the meter. It's the Batmobile. Yeah. Come on now. POV of the GT, man. 25 GT. Let's get it, man. Here we go. Come on. We outside. Let y'all hear that thing. Oh my gosh, man. This thing is crazy. I'm gonna share all these lights, man. These lights just go crazier, man. I could change these lights right here, the red and green one, man. It's crazy. I got it on green because I got it on the flow, but we're gonna do a little roll down. Give y'all a little POV. You feel me? I got the exhaust mode. I can change it. Right now it's on low. I'm gonna put it on the highest. This is what we gonna do. I'm gonna give y'all a little POV, man. With the windows rolled down. So I can hear how that thing sound. I want y'all to hear this, man. This thing is crazy. Oh my goodness. This thing is crazy. We're gonna do a little POV for y'all, man. We're gonna ride around for a little bit. You feel me? Had a window rolled down a little bit. Things sound nasty, man. Let me know what y'all think, man. It's a 25 Mustang GT, man. Things sound nasty. But y'all see where we at with it, man. Hey, I need to clean my windows off a little bit. Oh my gosh. I'll give y'all a little pull, because I know that's what y'all want to hear. Y'all a little pull. You feel me? But that's what we doing right now. Ride around, man. This thing's so nice, man. Y'all know I had the Mopar. I had to go from the Mopar to Ford. But this is what we doing, man. Look, they got the new Nissan right there, man. That thing crazy. Look at that. What's that right there? What's the name of that one? But y'all see, man, we downtown, man. I know what it is. I got the auto shut off, man. Trying to save on some gas, man. Y'all see 177, man. I think this thing do like 254. And y'all see how many miles on there? At 0. I just got it a couple days ago, man. I've been driving this thing like crazy. But we just riding around right now, man. Let's see. We gonna go around this. Got people working, man. Can't disturb the workers. Man, I love this dash, man. I love this, man. I love this new style they put on here, man. It's crazy. But that's what we're gonna do, y'all. Man, I got a Chally, man. I used to have a Chally, man. Y'all remember the Chally, man? If not, scroll down on the page and go find it. But oh my goodness. This thing is crazy, man. Ooh, had a little hump right there. Caught me off guard, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. I'll give y'all a little pool right here. You feel me? This is what we gonna do. I'll give y'all a little pool. Little poo-poo. Hopefully ain't no cops around, man. Y'all don't tell them, you feel me? I ain't gonna give y'all no pool, man. We just cruising, you feel me? We uptown. Where I'm from, they call it downtown. But y'all hear that thing, man. I don't even need to get no pool, man. Y'all hear it. Oh my gosh, man. It's crazy. Y'all see what we at, man. That's what we doing. We riding around, man. Giving y'all a trip of the 25 GT, man. Mustang GT. Ford. Last year, man, I never thought that I'd get a Ford. But everybody got a Mopar. So I had the 22 Charlie RT Mopar. And I had to let it go, man. I had to let it go. I had to get something faster. You feel me? Something faster, man. I got 2 SUVs behind me, man. This might be the cops, bro. Y'all pray for me. Because I have no idea. Y'all see, man. We're going to make a left right here. I'm going to give y'all a little pool right here. Crazy. We're gonna make a left right here. And I ain't even hit the paddle shifters, man. That's oh my goodness. I think it's crazy, man. But we just riding around, man. I ain't even hit the paddle shifters yet, man. I purchased some paddle shifters, they don't even fit, but we gonna get some more. We gonna send those back, and we gonna get some more. But y'all see what we at, man. See what we doing. Just giving y'all a little POV, man. It's not gonna be too long. You feel me? Probably do a couple more minutes, then I'm gonna get up out of here. But we gonna put the paddle shifters on. I'm gonna give y'all some paddle shifters. You feel me? We gonna give y'all some manual. We're gonna give y'all some manual. Oh my goodness. We're gonna downshift that thing. Oh my gosh, man. This thing is crazy. Woo! That's like the first time I did that. I ain't gonna lie. That's the first time I did that, man. And we're gonna go around this thing right here. All right, man, that's all I'm gonna give y'all today, man. Little POV, nighttime POV. Nothing too crazy, you feel me? Support me, subscribe, you know. I'll be back with more. But I'm back, man. I'm back, man. Y'all hear me? I'm back. So let's get it. All right, y'all, be easy. Subscribe, do all that good stuff. Like, all that. Man, y'all better watch out for them vans, man. Them sleepers, man. Stop playing. But all right, y'all be easy, man. Like I said, subscribe, man. I'm coming for y'all. Nah, I'm just joking. All right.